Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us look at this nice question. Convert 2A3F base 16 to decimal. So this number is a hexadecimal number. So before you deal with any hexadecimal number, the first thing you need to do is to list down all the numbers that are involved. So for a hexadecimal number, we have from 0 to 9, and the rest are letters. That is A, B, C, D, E, and F, where A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, and F is 15. So after that, let us now look at the question that we have. We have 2A, 3F, and we want to write this as a base 10. So what we're going to do is just multiply each and every term in this number by the base raised to a power. Okay, so we have 2, we have A, we have 3, and F. So the powers start from the right, that is 0, 1, 2, and 3. So let us now convert this to decimal. So to convert this decimal, we have 2A, 3F. The 16 will be 2 times the base, and the base is 16, and that is raised to power 3, plus A times the base, and the base is raised to power 2, plus 3 times the base, which is raised to power 1, plus F times the base raised to power 0. So the next step is just to write these letters in their corresponding decimal values. So we have 2 times 16 cubed. 16 cubed is 40, 96, plus A, and A is 10, so that is 10 times 16 squared, that is 10 times 2, 56, plus the next one, which is just 3 times 16 raised to power 1, that is 16, plus F, and F is 15 times 16 raised to power 0, which is just 1. So let us simplify this. If we simplify this, we're going to get 2 times 40, 96 will be 81, 92, and 10 times 256 will be 2560, plus 3 times 16, which is 48, plus 15 times 1, which is just 15. So if you work this out, you'll find it to be equal to 10,815. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.